How are you?
I'm 7 years old.
How are you? What's the answer? How are you?
I'm happy.
Good job. Are you hungry, Neighbor? Hungry? No, I'm not. Say the word. No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
I'm. No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
I'm. Okay, how old are you, Neighbor?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Very good. Now tell me how many people are there in your family? There are, how many people in your family?
8.
There are 8 people in my family. Wow, a lot. 8 like this?
Yes.
Uh-oh, that's a lot. Okay, what's your favorite color? What color do you like?
I like balloons.
Color? I like.
I like.
What color do you like?
I like balloons.
Blue.
Balloon.
Not balloon. Blue.
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. What about food? What food do you like?
I like fish.
Oh, I like fish too. Wow. Now let's move on to our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's start with the shapes. Okay, here. Tell me what shape is it?
It's a triangle.
No. What shape is it?
It's a circle.
What's the color?
It's orange.
Orange circle. Can you say the word? Orange.
Orange circle.
What about this one?
It's
Red.
a triangle.
Okay, and the color is?
Red.
So say the word red triangle.
Red triangle.
Good job. Next, what about this?
It's a star.
What's the color?
Purple.
So it's a
Star purple.
purple star. Purple star.
Purple star.
Good. Next,
It's a
what's the shape?
it's a
Rectangle.
rectangle.
Okay, rectangle, and the color is
Grass.
green.
Green.
Not correct. Green.
Green.
So this is a green rectangle.
Rectangle. Green.
Green rectangle.
Green rectangle.
Good job. Here. Shape.
Heart.
Heart, not hurt. Heart. Color.
Balloons.
Balloons.
Balloon.
Yes, blue. So this is blue heart.
Balloon heart.
Yes, good. Now let's move on to your members of the family. Who is he?
He is my
What is he?
grandpa. She is my grandma.
Good. Next.
She is my mommy.
Good job. Next.
He is my baby.
Good.
He is my daddy.
Very good. Now let's move on to the sound. Okay, here we have letter G. Letter G sounds.
G.
Good job. G.
Hamburger.
Uh-oh.
Hamburger.
No. So this one is
Grass.
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 Grass and hamburger. So which one is correct? Hamburger or grass?
Grass.
Good job. Next.
Guitar.
Guitar is correct. Good. Neema. Next.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Yay. Now you understood. Next.
Hat.
Hat. Correct. Here, what can you do? What can you do? I can
bicycle.
I can ride.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike. Next.
Fly
I can.
helicopter. I can fly helicopter.
Fly a helicopter. Good. Next.
I can read a book.
Read a book. Read. Next.
Swim. I can swim.
Swim.
I car.
Good job, Neema. Now for the last part, can you tell me what do you see?
I see a car.
Wow, what's the color?
Red.
Red car. Good. Next. What is that?
It's a boat.
It's a boat. How many boats do you see? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
One.
One boat. Good. Next. What is this?
It's a helicopter.
Helicopter. What's the color?
It's a
What's the color of the helicopter? Green? No. What color is it?
orange.
Orange. Next. What do you see?
It's a
It's a... What is it?
bicycle.
Bicycle. Correct. A bike or bicycle is still okay. Bike or bicycle. Correct. Next one is
It's a motorbike.
motorbike. And last one is
It's a lorry.
lorry. Very nice. Wow. That's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Neema. See you again.